Costs do not exist to be calculated. Costs exist to be reduced. In this video, you will learn accounting terms in Chinese, particularly cost classifications. Are you ready? Here's the first word. 制造成本. Let's break down the word 制造. The Chinese character 制 is a verb which means to make or to manufacture. Another verb, 造, means to construct or to build. Combining these two characters, 制造 is a verb which is defined as to manufacture. The Chinese word 成本 is a noun which means cost. Putting these two words together, 制造成本 results in the accounting term manufacturing cost. The next word is pretty easy to guess. 非制造成本. The Chinese character 非 is an affix which means non, un, or in. Adding the word 制造成本, which means manufacturing cost, 非制造成本 will easily be translated as non-manufacturing cost. For a manufacturing firm, costs can be classified in two groups according to their function, or if they're incurred in the manufacturing process or not. This results in two groups of costs, manufacturing cost and non-manufacturing costs. Let's talk about another way of classifying cost. 直接成本. How is the word 直接 composed? The Chinese character 直 is an adjective which means straight, while the character 接 is a verb which means to connect. Combining these two characters, 直接 can be interpreted as straight connection or nothing in between. The word 直接 is an adjective which means direct. Again, 成本 means cost. Putting together these two words, 直接成本 results in accounting term direct cost. Let's have the next word. 间接成本. Let's decompose 间接. The character 间 is a noun which means interval, gap, or space in between, while the character 接 is a verb which means to connect. Putting together these two characters, 间接 can be interpreted as a connection with some gaps in between. The word 间接 is an adjective which means indirect. Combine the word 间接 with the word 成本, which means cost. 间接成本 is an accounting term for indirect cost. Classifying cost, whether it is direct or indirect, is based on how this cost can easily be traced to a cost object. Let's continue with the third way of classifying cost. 产品成本. Let's see how the word 产品 came out. 产 is a verb which means to produce. The character 品 is a noun which means an article or goods. Combining these two characters, 产品 literally means goods to be produced. 产品 is a noun which means a product. Added to the word 成本, which means cost, 产品成本 is defined as product cost. Let's see what's the opposite of product cost. 期间成本. Let's discuss 期间. The Chinese character 期 is a noun which means a phase. Phase means a specific stage in a series of events. The character 间 means between. Combining these two characters, 期间 can be interpreted as between or within a specific time. 期间 is a noun which means a period of time. Once again, 成本 means cost. Adding together these two words, 期间成本 means period cost. Cost can be classified whether it is inventoriable or when it will be charged against sales. With this classification, there will be two groups of cost, product costs and period costs. Let's jump to the fourth way of classifying cost. 变动成本. Let's discuss the word 变动. The Chinese character 变 is a verb defined as to change. Another verb, 动, means to move. Adding together these two characters, 变动 will eventually result in a verb which means to change. And again, 成本 means cost. Combining these two words, 变动成本 literally means cost that will change. Can you guess which accounting term we are talking about? 变动成本 means variable cost. I hope you got it right. Next is a word opposite to variable cost. 固定成本. 固定 is an adjective which means fixed. Adding the word 成本, which means cost, 固定成本 is fixed cost. Another way to classify cost is based on its behavior to the changes in volume of activity. In other words, you will determine if such cost is variable cost or fixed cost. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from this video. Comment down below for your suggested topic.